Alright guys, you're going to love this. This is exactly how to fix your iPhone speaker. If you think the iPhone speaker is too low, or after you've increased the volume to the maximum, you still discover that your iPhone volume is too low, then these are the steps you should take. First, you need to go to the settings on your iPhone, scroll down, click on sounds and haptics. So you need to confirm whether your iPhone volume is set to the maximum. So come to ringtone and alert and make sure you drag this to the maximum. So from whatever it is to the maximum. Once you have that drag to the maximum, your iPhone speaker volume should increase. Now, if this is not working for you, this could mean that you've already set a volume limit. This is still under your sounds and haptics. Scroll down under sounds and haptics. Click on volume limit under built-in speaker. Then if limit maximum volume is enabled, you want to go ahead and disable limit maximum volume. That is quite important. So once you disable that, you'll be able to increase your iPhone volume to any level of your choice. And then again, under sounds and haptics, you need to go and check whether your headphone safety is what's actually causing your iPhone volume not to be really loud. So click on headphone safety under headphones once you scroll down to the bottom. And here, if you have the feature reduce loud audio enabled, you want to go ahead and turn this off. So this can actually cause your iPhone volume to be low even when you've increased it to the maximum when you are using headphones. So turn this off, and after that you are good. Now go ahead and check whether your iPhone volume is back to normal. With this, you should be able to fix iPhone speaker is too low. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.